Is it possible to get a 800 credit score using the myEcon credit repair system? Yes, my friend, it is. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. Let's dive in. Welcome to the channel, my friends. This is Daniel here. And in this video, we're diving into the myEcon credit repair system. This is a do-it-yourself credit repair. Now, if you want to go ahead and give your social security number and personal information away to somebody else and actually pay them to repair your credit for you, you can do that, or you could literally do it yourself. And the myEcon credit repair system is going to walk you through step by step, day by day, exactly what to do. So just some documentation and proof for you here. Okay. We're over on the Experian website. And as you can see here, right down here, this is me. This is my personal information. So if I were to come out here and just click on the dashboard, you can see right now my credit score with Experian is 826. That is a pretty phenomenal credit score. What does that mean for me and my family? That puts us literally in prime position to really get anything we want to invest in, whether it be, a mortgage, a refinance, a car loan, anything that requires a credit check. We are now in really excellent, good standing. And it is because of the myEcon credit repair system. Many years ago, I got sucked into a very high ticket affiliate marketing system where it costs thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars to join. I literally had to take out a business line of credit across multiple credit cards, and I went all in. And then that business ended up getting shut down by the FTC, and I lost that entire investment. And I didn't have the money at the time to pay any of that debt back. So I let those credit cards kind of go into, way into bankruptcy, and it tanked my credit score all the way down into the 500s. So I turned around and I used the myEcon credit system, and I was able to remove all of those negative things off of my credit report. And I was able to do that legally and ethically. And I was able to repair my credit. Now, I'm going to be honest with you, it took about a year or so before those things started to show, because the way that the credit bureaus work, if you have something removed, it doesn't instantly boost your score. It takes a little bit of time for everything to sift through and go through the process that it needs to. But it did 100% fix my credit. So this right here, my friend, is how you're going to do it. Okay. So once you become a member of myEcon, and you can do that at 3 different levels, you could join for $20, $40, or $100. And I have videos that cover all of that. If you need more information, link in the description down below. Or if you're looking to get started with myEcon, again, link in the description down below. You'll see my link. You can pick your plan. Come on in. It doesn't matter to me where you join. Come in at the level that you value yourself at. That's how I always put it. If you want those bigger commissions and you want to make more money, come in at the higher level. If you just want to dip your toes in and see how it works, come in at the lower levels. It's up to you. So if you're looking to repair your credit, this is a killer system. So let me walk you through exactly how it works. Okay. So you're going to click right here where it says My Credit System. Okay. You're going to click into that. Okay. You're going to come on over here. Okay. And then simply all you're going to do here, okay, all you're going to do is follow along and go over the tutorials. They're going to show you every single thing that you need to do step by step, how to do it, where to go get your forms, where to download information, PDFs, all that sort of good stuff. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to watch the overview video here. It's 30 seconds long, piece of cake, simple, easy. Then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to pull your credit report. This video is going to show you how and where to pull your credit report. Okay. They're going to give you the information right here. You're simply going to log in. You're going to pull your credit report, and boom, you can have it that day. You don't have to wait for it to be mailed to you or anything like that. You can literally, if you have a printer, print it right out right then and there. All right. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to freeze secondary bureaus. What does that mean for you? This video is going to explain all that so you can make sure that you're focused on one target area of your credit at a time. So this is going to help you figure that process out. And of course, they give you all of the information here that you're going to need, okay, in order to do that. All of the PDFs that you're going to need, okay? Then you're going to go through, once you have your credit report, once you have it print it out in front of you, which I would highly recommend printing it out if you can. Okay, you're going to start going through and you're going to start looking at what you want to remove, what you want to take off of there, the negative things that are negatively impacting your credit report. Guys, this is all really simple and easy stuff. So if you think fixing your credit is going to be an overwhelming process, it's really not that bad. And especially if you follow these videos one step at a time, and trust me, my friend, like if I could do this, you can do this too. Okay. So I was able to figure it out. I had never done this sort of thing before, never had to try to fix my credit. But if I could figure it out, how to, print out all the forms, notate what needs to come off of there, get that information sent into the credit bureaus. If I can do it, so can you. It's not that difficult. And it's going to cost you pennies on the dollar to fix your credit. I mean, you could literally start this for 20 bucks, okay? 40 bucks and fix your credit. That is well worth the price of admission, my friend, okay? Now, you're going to go check for errors. Then you're going to start the dispute process. This is how you start removing negative items off of your credit score. And again, this process works. Period. End of story. Can't deny it. Can't debate it. Okay. It is documented to work. It is proven to work. You just have to do it. That's it. You just have to go do it. So they walk you through how to fill out all the paperwork, where to send them, how you're going to, like all the documents you're going to need. It's all right here. It's all right here. Makes it stupid, simple, easy for you. Okay. Now, once you start going through the dispute process, then they start showing you how to increase your credit score by proper credit utilization. What do I mean by that? Making sure that you're spending money and paying off your debt the right way. Okay, there's certain amounts of money that you should be spending on your credit cards based on what you have open to buy. Okay, there's certain times where you should be paying off your bills every single month to help increase your credit score. Okay, there's certain debt ratios that you want to make sure that you're following. So again, you can increase your credit score. This is all here in step number 5. Okay, they're going to show you how to build credit the right way. So step 5 and 6 work in sync together is the best way to put that right there. And again, all of that information is here for you to follow. These are all short, quick, and easy video, guys. They're direct, they're straight, they're to the point, and all you got to do is literally follow along, okay? And then obviously a wrap up and congratulations once you understand how to best maximize your spending, your credit report, your utilization, all of those things, removing those negative items. This is really simple and basic stuff here, guys. So don't let it seem overwhelming and daunting when it's really not that bad. And to do this, you are the best person to repair your credit. Sure, you can go pay someone, or you could just sit back and wait and hope and pray that things eventually get better, or you could just go fix the damn thing, okay? You have the power in your hands at your fingertips right now. So if you're looking to repair your credit, the myEcon credit repair system is phenomenal. And again, from experience, these are my real credit scores right here, okay? This is my real credit score. And let me just be super real with you. Let me be super real with you. You guys can see here, right here on your screen, okay? See Experian right here, see TransUnion right here, 810. And then I have Equifax over here at 716. So why are 2 of them in the 800s and one of them is in the 700s? Okay, so the reason for that, and this is just real life, the reason for that is as I was removing negative items, I was able to remove all of the negative items off of 2 of the bureaus, but one of them, for whatever reason, clung on to like one thing over there. Okay, so and that's the reason why that one didn't fully come off. Still in the dispute process, still working on having that removed. And eventually it will come off. So I'm not worried about it. And again, when most lenders take a look at your credit, they'll take an average of the 3 bureaus, which puts me in the high 700s, which is really, really good, by the way. Okay, so that is excellent credit. So my friend, you can do this. Okay, and again, if I can do it, so can you. So if you're not started with myEcon yet, go ahead, link in the description down below, okay? Go ahead and get started, or you can go to the link right here at the top of this video, pick your plan, get in, get your credit fixed, and let's get crushing it. Also, by the way, you can start sharing your myEcon affiliate link and you can start making some incredible commissions. And trust me, if I can make thousands of dollars per week sharing the myEcon opportunity, so can you, my friend. And link in the description down below if you want to see my full overview and what we do and why we are the #1 fastest growing and largest team inside of myEcon. If you want to see how we do what we do, hit those links and check that out. If you have any questions for me, I left my phone number at the beginning of this video. You can send me a text message or it's in the description down below. Thank you for watching, my friend. Appreciate you. If you made it to this point in the video, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. I do appreciate it. It really does help out the channel. Otherwise, my friend, I will see you on the next one. Take care.